A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our social studies class. And here we come to the last part of the chapter, that is chapter number 1 of geography, our Earth and the solar system. Before that, let us quickly revise what we learned in the last class. So you remember, in the last class we studied about the asteroids. That is, they are like small planets and they are located between Mars and Jupiter. They are also known as asteroid belts, minor planets or planetoids. Scientists believe that asteroids are the broken parts of a planet. So today we will study about the meteors. As you can look at the picture, in the night you must have seen some bright streaks of light moving across the sky with great speed. So you also might have noticed during the night time something you see, as you can look at the picture, okay, there is a bright streak. रात के टाइम पे हमें when the sky is full of stars, you see there's some bright streak. Now what is that? That is the meteors, or also known as the shooting stars. What is it known as? Shooting stars. They are small pieces of rocks. They also revolve around the sun, but cannot be seen as they are small in size. You can look at the picture. This is the size of the meteors, and as we can say, it's very small. Okay, in the universe, all the planets and meteors and the asteroids, so they vary from shape. Okay, they are different in shape, but the meteors are small in size. And so what we say, they revolve around the sun but cannot be seen. Sun के आसपास revolve तो करते हैं, but वो हमें दिखते नहीं है because it is very tiny. Now, the meteors can be seen in the sky only when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. So when can we see the meteors? When they enter the Earth's atmosphere. जब वो Earth के atmosphere में enter करेंगे, तभी तो हमें meteors दिखेगा. Then most of them burn up and become gases. Some big meteors do not burn up completely. अब कुछ meteors थोड़े बड़े होते हैं size में, so they do not burn up completely. But the ones which are very small, they burn up. They reach the surface of the Earth and are called meteorites. What happens? When they reach the surface of the Earth, they are also called meteorites. Is it clear? Very easy and simple. Then, when they hit the Earth, they create large depressions known as craters. Now look at this picture. What do you see? That these meteorites, they have hit the Earth. Okay, वो Earth से टकराए हैं, वो Earth पे आए हैं. And you can see such a big hole has been made. Now, when they hit the Earth and they create such large depression, they are known as craters. Okay? Now, the craters at the Arizona in the USA is the largest known crater in the world. Very important, children. The crater at Arizona in the USA. Which is the largest crater known in the world? It is the Arizona in the USA. Now talking about India, some of the famous craters can be seen at Ramgarh in Rajasthan and Arizona in the universe. So if we talk about India, where do we see it? Ramgarh in Rajasthan, and USA, then Arizona. Okay? Many such craters are found throughout the world. So you can see such craters throughout the world, but if you talk about the largest one, it is the Arizona in the USA. And if we talk about India, it is Ramgarh. Many meteorites have been collected by scientists. They are useful in the study of our solar system. Naturally, if we get something from the space which hits the earth, what will the scientists do? They will do their research on it. So, scientists have kept these meteorites very carefully with them. Most meteorites contain a large amount of iron. So, what do they have? They have large amount of iron in it. Is it clear? Now, talking about another topic, that is the last one, the comets. Look at the picture. How beautiful they look, right? These are the comets. Comets are celestial bodies made up of snow and rocky dust. What is it made up of? Snow and rocky dust. They also revolve around the sun in their own orbit. So they also, what they do? They revolve around the sun in their own orbit. सबकी अपनी orbits थी, हमने देखा था, okay, in the first video. So these comets also, they revolve around the sun. Now, when comets reach near the sun, they develop a long tail that starts glowing. What happens when they reach near the sun? जब वो sun के पास में आते हैं, so what happens? They develop a long tail, okay, and that starts glowing and shining. The tail is thousands of kilometers long, thousands of kilometers long. In the past, people considered comets as bad omens. So past में लोगों को लगता था कि comets अच्छे नहीं हैं, they are not very good, ये शुभ नहीं है. But that is not true. So comets, this is how it looks like. It looks very much beautiful. And scientists believe that there are about 2 billion comets orbiting the sun. How many? 2 billion. The most famous comet, underline it, is the Halley's Comet. Which one? The Halley's Comet. It can be seen only in every 76 years. Every 76 years only we can see this Halley's Comet. It was last seen in 1986. Let's see if we are lucky, we'll be able to see it. There are some comets that take even more time than Halley's to come to orbit of the sun. So it is like just assume that it will take 76 years. It is not absolutely sure that it is Halley's Comet. So 76 years बाद हमें दिखेगा. Okay children. So last it was seen in the year 1986. And there are about 2 billion comets that orbit around the sun. Is that clear children? These were the comets and the meteorites. Interesting topic, right? And with this we had completed the chapter. And now let us quickly move on to the worksheet. Let's go. This is your worksheet, worksheet 5. Answer the following in short. What are meteors? What is the other name of meteors? What is a crater? Write few lines about the most famous comet. We have discussed which is the most famous comet. How many comets are there according to the scientists? So children, I hope it is clear to all. Before leaving, let us quickly watch the video of it. Let's go.
Asteroids are small planet-like heavenly bodies found in the solar system. They are large pieces of rocks floating in space. Most of them are located between Mars and Jupiter. This area of the space is also known as the asteroid belt. They are also called planetoids or minor planets. Scientists believe that asteroids are the broken parts of a planet. Meteors. In the night, you must have seen some bright streaks of light moving across the sky with a great speed. These are called meteors. They are also called shooting stars. Meteors are small pieces of rocks. Like many heavenly bodies, they are also revolve around the sun. They cannot be seen as they are very small. The meteors can be seen in the sky only when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Most of them burn up and become gaseous. Some big meteors do not burn up completely. They reach the surface of the Earth and are called meteorites. When they hit the Earth, they create large depressions known as craters. Many such craters are found throughout the world. Some of the famous craters can be seen at Bhatnagar in Rajasthan and Arizona in the USA. The crater at Arizona in the USA is the largest known crater in the world. Many meteorites have been collected by scientists. They are useful in the study of our solar system. Most meteorites contain a large amount of fire. Comets. Comets are celestial bodies made up of snow and rocky dust. They also revolve around the sun in their own orbit. When comets reach near the sun, they develop a long tail that starts glowing. The tail is thousands of kilometers long. In the past, people considered comets as bad omens. Scientists believed that there are about 2 billion comets orbiting the sun. The most famous comet is the Halley's Comet. It can be seen once in every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. There are some comets that take even more time than Halley's Comet to orbit the sun.
So children, this was the video of the chapter, and I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Interesting, talking about the space and the planets and the solar system, right? So, this is it for now. We will meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye. Take care.